I'm private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with.
What's up, YouTube? So this is probably the longest awaited video. I haven't been on YouTube for a long time, but this is my updated makeup tutorial. A lot of you have been asking for this, so yeah, I'm gonna try to make this as detailed as possible and list all the products as well. So yeah, so I am starting off on the first face. I'm gonna start by priming my face with the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. Usually my brows is the first thing I started with, so I just re-upped. I used the Morphe brow pencil in the color Chocolate Mousse. So I'm gonna start by lining my brows. I usually start with like doing the tail of my brow first. Next, I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha. So I use this before putting on any foundation too. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to line my brows first. So I usually take some out and then I'm just gonna buff it out.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for so cheap and flex so.
So now that my brows are done, this is where I go in and I conceal like my dark spots.
Sex OD, you got it, girl.
I spray. This is to prep and prime. Well, prime and set, I should say. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray.
Got it. Hey, you got.
Blend that out, and even if it's not perfect, it's fine because it's gonna get covered. But I'd say like just blend it as much as you can, and then wherever my dark spots is still not fully covered, I build that up again and I'm gonna cover that. Next, I'm going to take, so I don't really use foundation because I just feel like it's super heavy on my skin. So I use a skin tint, and this is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tint. This is in the color 11. What I do is I literally just put that on my face like this.
Got it, girl, you got, yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Okay,
so next I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and this time I'm going to put this in the corner of my eye, right here and right here.
Yeah, I'm looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest.
Then I take my Juvia's Face blush, and this a little bit goes a long way, so I really just scrape off most of the product.
But only 'cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Oh, and by the way, this is the Juvia's Place blush in the color Pink Lady. Then I'll go back in with my concealer once more. Then I just go back in once more, just to like sculpt, and then blend that blush in again. Is when I'm going to set. And this is a new product I'm actually using, which is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Duo, and this is Cherry Peach. It's the cherry blossom cake and the peach pie, but I've been using Huda Beauty. I just only use the peach pie, and I'm really excited about this because this is a duo. The duo is like a peachy color and like a really pink color. So I feel like this is gonna be super tea. Clearly this is the pink and then this is the peach. And what I use is a puff pad, poof. I don't really know what this is called, but one of these, because this is what's really gonna blur your makeup. Okay, so before I go in to do that, I'm just gonna make sure that all my concealer is blended and that there's no creasing, before I even do what I need to do. We're gonna start contouring the face. I usually powder contour, but what I'm gonna do first is take my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Mocha, because this is my skin complexion, and apply this to the places where I didn't conceal to give me that coverage. Then we're going to take, this is my bronzing powder. This is the NARS Laguna 8. And this, you don't gotta be too heavy with this because it's extremely pigmented.
Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm trying to make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in.
So next we're gonna put this over my eyelids. This is so tea. Next we're gonna start to dust off wherever I baked.
Yeah. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your back.
And I'm just gonna darken and contour just a little bit more. Soften it just a little bit. And this is my blush that I love to use. This is the Juvia's blush in volume 4. So there's a light pink blush and a hot pink one. Usually I use both to give me the perfect pink that I'm looking for.
You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games.
Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use only the pink one, just with the pink blush. I mean the pink setting powder. So we're gonna set one more time. Just to brighten up, because I really love a bright under eye. Let that bake right quick. And as that's baking, now I'm gonna go back in with my blush again and go back in with my bronzing. That's whatever's left on this brush to bronze. And the peach side of the setting the baking powder. Now we're gonna go back to the brows. So the brows now, I just start to bring extra hairs in the front just to give like the full illusion of the brows. Like I just add a couple of lines. Now we need some highlighter. This is a really old highlighter. I can't even really recommend this because I think it's discontinued. But this is by MAC. This is in the color Snow Flushed. then I'm gonna set. So next, I'm going to use some mascara underneath my lashes. So first we're gonna prime. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay, and this is an instant lengthening, lifting, and thickening mascara primer. So this will be great for priming those lower lashes and getting them long. I do that, and then I go in with the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara, and this just makes my under lashes look so full, so thick, so long. Y'all, I forgot to put a little bit of pink blush on my nose. I love doing that. So then I have moles on my face, y'all, but once I cover the makeup, you can't see them. So I just go back in and try to see if I could see some of my moles. Next, I'm going to do my lip combo. So this is the MAC lip pencil in the color Chestnut. Then I'm using the MAC lip glass in the color Snobbish.
Play no games. Freaky.
Then I'm using the Fenty Beauty the Gloss Bomb Ice in the color Berry Jelly.
I can learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me.
Okay, I'm gonna fix my hair and stuff, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finishing look, and I look super cute. I curled my hair. Let me back up. Finishing look. T. Thank you. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all so much, and stay tuned for the next video. And if you guys want to see anything else from me, just let me know. Bye, y'all.